In 1945, Vornado created a new way to feel cool by circulating air throughout the whole room. Typical fans use oscillation, but that air doesn't travel very far, and you can only feel the effect in one spot at a time. A Vornado uses vortex action, a powerful stream of air that flows fast, cool, and constant in a twisting spiral pattern. This stream of air uses the walls and ceiling as pathways to circulate and recirculate the cool air, which flows continuously throughout the room. The result? You feel the difference, no matter where you are, cool and comfortable. Plus, a Vornado comes standard with a confidence-inspiring 5-year satisfaction guarantee and customer service that's as legendary as our products. Feel the difference yourself from a Vornado.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.